In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize lines in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a line to your design and fine-tune its look using the built-in toolbar, so your visuals feel polished and purposeful. Start by opening your project. On the left side, go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Line, then click a line to add it to your canvas. As soon as the line is selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar. This is where all the customization happens, and we'll walk through each control in a clear order. First up is color. Click the color tile to choose a new hue for your line. Matching your line color to your brand or picking a high contrast color helps the line stand out while keeping your design cohesive. If your project already has a color palette, you'll see those options right there for quick consistency. Next is stroke style. This menu controls how the line appears, solid, dashed, or dotted. A solid line is great for clean dividers and strong connections. Dashed or dotted lines can be useful for softer emphasis or to indicate optional connections in diagrams. Right alongside stroke style, adjust the weight to change thickness. A lighter weight keeps things subtle. A heavier weight draws attention. Aim for consistency across your project so lines feel intentional rather than random. Moving along the toolbar, you'll find line ends, with controls for the left and the right sides. Click each end to open choices like arrows, circles, squares, diamonds, and more. Arrows are perfect for showing direction or flow. Circular or square ends can provide a neat, finished look for lists, timelines, or labels. You can set different ends on each side if your design needs it, or choose none for a clean, uninterrupted span. Finally, adjust the line type. You can switch between straight, elbowed, and curved. Straight lines are ideal for separators and precise alignment. Elbowed lines add right-angle turns that work well in flowcharts and organizational diagrams. Curved lines feel more organic and can guide a viewer's eye gently across a layout. Pick the type that complements your content and layout style. That's all you need to create lines that look intentional and professional. Add your line from elements, set the color, choose a stroke style and weight, customize the ends, and select the type that fits your design. With these options, your lines won't just fill space, they'll add clarity and structure to every project.